Today I will talk about how can you find payments on your PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Sorry, click here on so you click here on payment options here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you will find here all payments you have in this list here. Like you see, I have no payment yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your PaybyPhone app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.